hyperlink tutorial in Excel. Now question is, what is hyperlink? Hyperlink gives access to another document or images. So what is click me? It's a hyperlink. How can I prove it? It is underlined and highlighted in blue color. So it is proved. No, there is a doubt that we can change the text style similar to click me using color blue and underline option from the font group. So how we prove it? It is hyperlink when we drag mouse over the text. It changes the cursor to a finger, and when we click it, it's open a new web page or a document. So you now know what is the meaning of hyperlink in Excel is. Now let us learn the concept through practical. Now in your screen you're going to see the same definition in a green color. Generally this text highlighted in underline blue. I'm showing of www.facebook.com. It's a hyperlink. Now first thing is how to add hyperlink in Excel. So now we're going to move to Excel and then I'm going to show you how to link. So let us open the Excel first. This is my Excel sheet. I've already done everything. There are many statements are written. First one is link the text file, link image file, Word file, PowerPoint file, Excel file, web pages. Now click the link given below. Click the link given below, click the link. I've given the instructions also. In those instructions, the name of the text file is abc.txt. So click the link. When you click, it open abc.txt. Second is going to open new wel.jpg file. It's an image file. Then next is a Word file. Then PowerPoint file. Then my Excel file. And last one is a website yahoo.com. And already given the statement there that these files are stored inside the folder gtemp excel file. So I'm going to show you the folder also. Here is the folder and all the files are there. ABC, my Excel, PowerPoint, Word, well.jpg. Now let's start linking those Excel. Files are going to be linked to the Excel links that is given. So first is link the text file. So before we move, I'm going to show you where you're going to find out the hyperlink. You have to go to the insert, click on insert, and here it is given. The hyperlink is given, here it is. This is your hyperlink in a links group. So first you select the link. When you select that, go to insert, click on a hyperlink. Here is the hyperlink box. Now select the file that you want to link. My file in a G drive. So click on G drive, select that file abc.txt and click OK. Now it's a hyperlink. Same way, go to the next one. Again go to the insert, click on the hyperlink and again go to the same place G drive, the folder, and select the second one. What is the second one is? Image file. So select the image and click it. Now it has been done. So this is the way the things are going to work. Now you will see on your screen that I link all the hyperlink pages and text file, image file, Word file, PowerPoint file and Excel file. And there is a line is there. When I move your cursor to those link, it changes to a finger. You've seen this. Now when I click any one of it, like a text file, it will open a text file. If I click on a image, it will open a image file. If I click on a word, here it is going to open a word file. Means like this, all the links are going to work. Now the last one is a web page. Now in a web page, the process is slightly different. Select the cell. I've given the link also, https in yahoo.co.in. I just copy that link up to https, copy, and I select the cell. Now I go to the insert, same hyperlink. There is address bar is given. I can select from here this option also, browse the web, but I'm going to write it down here. I can paste whatever hyperlink I needed, https:/in.yahoo.com. When I click OK, now it will change to again the same thing is happened now. Now it's become a hyperlink. When I click it, it will open the in.yahoo.com. The yahoo.com site is going to be open. This is the linking external with the another files like text file, image file, word file, PowerPoint file. Like this we can do it. So this is the way the linking is going to be done. Now let us move to the next topic, and next is mail to link. How to create an email in a Excel file. To create an email account, so we have to do the same process. So let us show you how we are going to create a email account in an Excel, and the process is the same that how we create a hyperlink. So let us move to the Excel file. So this is again the same Excel file I am using. I am in a sheet 4 and mail to option. There is name, email address, target given by the company, your achievement and goal achieved. Gary Miller is the name of the person, target given and target achieved, and there is well done is written. If you write down directly Gary@Gmail account, whatever email account, automatically it will be changed to a link of email. Now how we are going to convert a well done? Here is a well done is written. Convert this to a email link. So for the same process, select the cell, go to the insert, select hyperlink. When you select the hyperlink, now move down and there is an email address is given. Click on the email address. It will ask you that the text to be displayed. They go same well done is going to be displayed here. Now in an email address, write down the email ID abc@gmail.com. Now whatever subject you want, well done. When I click it, OK, it will be convert again. Now this is also going to be become a email. Now I'm going to click, so it will open a new page, and in a mail address, email ID is being the same abc@gmail, and the subject will be well done. This is the way the mail to option is going to work in Excel. So now you know what is mail to. Now let us discuss the next, how to create internal links in Excel. Means now we are going to do internal linking in a same sheet. There are two methods. So we are discussing the first one using cell address. You know what is the meaning of cell address. So we are using a cell address. Link the cell text with the information in a same sheet with the help of cell address. So let us practically understand how we are going to use these cell addresses for linking. So I am giving you the same thing. I am showing you one sheet again. Here is the sheet, and it is written, this is a presentation, show the internal linking of pages in Excel sheet with or without use of bookmark. Means we will discuss what is bookmark. First we will discuss about without using a bookmark. So here is the student mark sheet, and there are 4 students information is given: Hindi, English, Math, Science, SST, like this, total and everything is given, and there is a thing last written that to print a report card. Now you need to print the report card, so there is a link is click here, and what I have written, link without bookmark, means we are going to use cell address to link. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you the report card also. So it is down here. Here is the report card. So this is the report card that is going to be print. When I click, we automatically jump here. There's a blue box is given, and the cell address is C43, C41. C41 we are using, na? C41. So I'm going to change that to a C41. C41. This is the cell that I'm using. So again I scroll up, get back, same process. So what I have to do, need to select the cell, go to the insert, click hyperlink and existing file web pages, click on the bookmarks. That will ask where you are. So we are sitting in a sheet number 2. Now we need to select the cell number, that is C41, C41, and then press OK. Then press OK. There is the hyperlink. When I move my cursor at the top of the click here and I clicked, it will jump. It will jump like this, and we are going to scroll down. Now we are at the C41. Now you are going to say ki sir, it is not display properly. So what you have to do, we have to display like this. So I'm going to select the cell number again, but I move to the bottom corner side or at the right side. So I select the cell number, this one, it is H54. So what I'm going to do, I'll go back again. H54 is the cell number. I select that, click here, right click, remove hyperlink. Again I select, go to insert, select the cell, same bookmark, write down that H54 and I press OK, then press OK. Now when I click, it will jump. So this is the method of putting the cell number, and it will reflect the same way. Next we will discuss the second one, using the bookmark. Now let us discuss the second option of internal linking and using a bookmark. First we discuss what is that bookmark is. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. You just go through it. What is the bookmark? So I'm going to show you one image. This is the bookmark. When you read the novel, you put up page or paper cutting. So those are the bookmarks that you can read out afterwards from the same page. So same way we will create a bookmark in the Excel, Word. We can create a PowerPoint also. It is used to mark one's place in a book. The main definition of bookmark is. And in Excel it provides a name to a cell location, so that we can hyperlink through that reference name also. So I'm going to show you practically that how we can do that. I'm using the same Excel sheet, working in the same Excel sheet. Now there is a second record of Sumit. So I'm using the Sumit records. I'm going to click here and I'm going to link this with the Sumit record. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to move to the Sumit record. Here is the Sumit record, report card, and if you go through, this is your report card of Sumit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my cursor to the left side, any cell you can use any cell, not it is necessary to use the next cell like this 98 only, you can use any. It is 98, J98 is given. Now I need a name for that. So right click, go to define name and give a name to it. Like I give Sumit RC. It's a record. Now press the OK button. It's an hidden, it is not going to be shown. Now I scroll up, same process, click the cell, insert, go to hyperlink. Now when you press the bookmark, automatically Sumit RC is going to be there. You select that, the cell reference is also going to be shown there. Now click on the OK button, press OK, and now it will change to an hyperlink. Now if I'm going to scroll to that, click here. Now as I click, look, it will open it. You just jump to that particular place and it's going to show me the same. Now if I'm going to scroll down, I've written click to go back to the main page. I don't want to scroll like this. I want to jump directly. So there is a red box. Select the red box. Same insert. No. The red box. Right click. Define name. Give a name, proper name, top. And press OK. Now go back again, scroll down. Now here you have to select the click to go back to the main page. Go to insert, go to hyperlink, select bookmark, click on top and press OK, then press OK. Now it will change to go to main. When I click, I jump back. Again I click, go down. Again I scroll and click again, I jump back. So this is the process of internal linking in a same sheet. I'm working in the same sheet. That is, same sheet is sheet number 2. Now next is how to create external links in Excel using bookmarks. So now we're going to create a bookmark in some other sheet and link with the first one. It is an external linking. So first I'm going to show you the 2 sheets. I'm using sheet number 1, first file, where the information of the student is given with the marks, and there is a one link is click here. So I'm going to link this click layer with the other information. So I jump to the next file. It's a second file. This is the second file, and this information is other information of the student Amit. So I'm going to link the other information, click here link with this file. So first is I'm going to create a bookmark. So I put a cursor here, press L, it is B1. So I'm creating first a bookmark. Right click, go to define name and give the name sheet 2 Amit. Sheet 2 Amit and press OK. You know that it is a hidden. Now get back to the sheet number 1, first file. Select the cell, already selected. Go to insert, select hyperlink. Now there are 3 files are given. You have to select the file that is second. As you select the second file, go to the bookmark. The name is going to be there, sheet 2 Amit, and click and press OK. Now it convert to a hyperlink. Now when I press, it will jump. So this is the way external linking is going to be done with the 2 Excel sheets, first sheet and second. So in the same way you can link back also if you want to go back. So I create go back. First I move to the first sheet. Here select the cell, right click, format cell, right click, define name, go back sheet 1. Now press, now go back again. Here select it, cell, go to insert, select hyperlink, first file, bookmark, go back sheet, press OK, press OK. When you press it, you will back to the same file. So this is the way the linking is, external linking is going to work.